Can you use SEO, search engine optimization, free website traffic from Google to sell your online courses? You may have wondered this before, and in today's video training, I'm going to let you know. And if you stick with me through the end of the training, you will have a 3-step process to use to do just that. If you find this video helpful, do me a favor, like it and subscribe so that you are the first to know when the new videos launch each week. Hi, I'm Rachel Lindhagen, President and founder of Etched Marketing and Etched Marketing Academy. And in today's training, we're talking about using SEO, search engine optimization, or ways to get more free traffic from Google to sell your online courses. So if you're a course creator, stick with me. Or if you've thought about launching a course, stick with me through this training, and by the end of it, you're going to understand, yes, you can use SEO, and you're going to have a free 3-step process that you will use to build your business through SEO. So, spoiler alert, yes, you can use SEO to grow your online course business. You can sell courses using SEO. So how do we sell courses using SEO? The first step is that we're going to need to do some research. We're going to need to determine what keywords we want to target that are relevant to our ideal customer. If you're not sure about your ideal customer, there is a video on how to find out more about them. I'll link it up here for you. So you're going to want to really focus in on your ideal customer, and you're going to want to do some research to determine what words are they using when they are searching for an answer to their problem that your course solves. So that's step number 1, is research and determine what keywords you will use. Step number 2 is to create a landing page for your course. Now, I know many times people do course launches, and so they only have their sales page or their landing page up during that launch process. And while that's a great strategy for a launch, it does not work for SEO. Search engine optimization takes time. Google has to have a while to find that page, to see it, to index it, to really get to understand what it's about so that it can send traffic to that page. So what you're going to do is to create an evergreen. That means a page that stays up at all times, an evergreen page about your course. Now, whether you're launching and selling it right now on evergreen, or you do several launches a year, when you're not launching, you're going to still have this course page up. It should be in the main navigation on your website so that Google can follow the links from your homepage to your course page. That's going to help you as well. So have it in your main navigation, create that course page. You don't have to have a sales option on there if you do only launch a couple times a year, rather than having the price. If you don't want to include the price or having the sign up now, you could add a wait list option, which is another great way for you to grow that warm audience. If they're interested in it, they found it through search, even if you're not selling it right now, you can give them an option to join your wait list, and then you can market specifically to them. And the third step is to optimize that page. So you've chosen your keywords, you've created your page. Your final step is to optimize that page. You're going to want to optimize that page using your keyword that you chose as your most important keyword. You will include that keyword in your title tag. Your title tag should be a maximum of 60 characters, including spaces, and use your core keyword in it. If you can include an action verb such as learn, find out, shop, buy, we do see an increase in the click-through rate. That means the people who see your title tag or your web listing in Google search result, who then ultimately go on to click to learn more and visit your website. So including that action term can help you improve your click-through rate, which means we get more people coming to your website. It's just a bonus, but it's a really good little SEO tip for you. The second thing that you'll want to do is to write a meta description using your core keyword. Your meta description is 160 characters maximum, also including spaces, and should tell someone a little more about your course. You want to entice them to click to learn more. Once you have your title tag and your meta description optimized and ready to go, you'll want to write some copy. You want to ensure that your copy is at least 300 words. We generally see more words perform better and rank higher, but I don't want you to ever stuff your keywords or write just for the sake of writing. I want you to really think about your consumer. What does your ideal customer want to know? What are their pain points? What are their problems? How does your course help them solve their problem? By the time they're done reading this page, you want them to be excited. They have found what they need and they cannot wait to buy it from you. And that's how you're going to make money. So you want to write that page with your customer in mind. I'm not going to tell you use your keyword 6 times, use your keyword 10 times. I don't like writing that way. I find it's much better to focus on telling a good story and providing the information that your customer is going to want to know. So answer their questions. You are going to naturally use your keyword as you go through the process of answering their questions. If you're not sure what to include, go back to elementary school grammar. Who, what, where, why, when, and how. That's going to help you come up with a really good base page that's going to explain all about your course. Who is it for? When is it available? What problem is it going to solve? How is it going to solve that problem? All the information you need is right there. So you're going to optimize that page, title tags and meta description. You're going to write copy. The final tip here with the copy is I want you to read it out loud to yourself, because you're going to be able to tell if you have stuffed the keywords, meaning you've used them so many times they don't feel natural, or if you've not used them enough. So read through it, read it out loud. You can always edit it, but read that copy out loud. That's going to help you. Then, a couple of bonus tips. If you use your keyword in your image file name, that also helps your SEO. I've got a video that walks you through that. I'll link that in the comments for you. Shows you exactly what to do. So if you have any questions about how to do this, how to use SEO to grow your online course business or to sell online courses, leave me a comment, let me know. I would be happy to help answer them and help you get this going. All right, guys, that's it for today's training. I'll see you soon. Now, if you found this training really helpful, do me a favor. Go ahead and like the video, leave me a comment below, and more than anything, subscribe so that you know when new video trainings come out each week. I'll see you soon. Thanks.